Steve Zaz here, owner-op Zaz Precision Auto Detailing LLC, based out of coastal southeast North Carolina, operating out of Brunswick County. Today's vehicle is a full reset detail on a Chevy Silverado 1500. This vehicle was extremely neglected. It's been outside for years. Paint was decontaminated. Paint was enhanced with CarPro Essence and topped off with P&S Dreammaker. All chrome. Bumpers, Nerf bars, and wheels were fully restored and polished, as well as the headlights. Full headlight restoration. They were very hazed up. Both front and rear bumpers were thoroughly polished. Clear coat is failing on all the wheels. Vehicle will be put up for sale, 59,000 miles. Nerf bars fully polished, as well as the black trim on the Nerf bars. This is a four-wheel drive pickup. All leather surfaces were scrubbed, cleaned, and protected utilizing correction, Kosh Chemi, Leather Star, and Polestar. Full steam extraction on carpeted surfaces. All plastic surfaces were topped off with 303. Dash and console is thoroughly detailed. This is a CAT scan interior, has some rips in it. Console was fully detailed. It was very nasty in here this morning. All rubber, all weather mats were power washed and scrubbed. Glass was thoroughly clean inside and out. This was an 8-hour job, non-stop, to get the vehicle looking the way it is now. This will be the end of the detailing video, and this vehicle will be put up for sale this week.